Well, the original film was called Z, which was a Greek name for something. I've named it Shanghai because in the current context, the way I have adapted the film, it's about a dream that all of us Indians have. And the quickest way of mentioning that dream is the word Shanghai. There's a Shanghai there's in our minds, in our hearts, where we want to live. And that's what the film is about.
I was already sure that I was going to work with Diwakar again. I wanted to. He shared this idea with me some time ago. I'm not a very political person, but I like to keep myself informed anyways. And the fact that he was doing something about contemporary politics, the fact that he was just exploring a very interesting part of our history, which is unfolding as we speak, but nobody talks about it, nobody portrays it, nobody really shows it, at least not on film. That was the exciting part for me. Well, yeah, he is part of the political establishment.
And his name is P.T. Krishna Seshadri.
P.T. Krishna Seshadri.
I don't think South Indians have any mannerisms. I think to get inside a character is not to get inside the physical mannerisms. I think that is where most of our acting goes wrong. I think when he's a South Indian, by that I mean certain other things. When you see the film, you'll understand. His name, Joginder Parmar.
Joginder Parmar. We're taking it a notch higher. I know a kiss would be extremely tame for Diwakar Banerjee film. So he's going to make me do something a lot more drastic.
No, but there is a close to a rape scene.
Hope not.
Oh God! Imagine that.
Anything serial to me now after this. I'm trying to get away from that. The moment you see that certain craft, and I think that's in most of Bollywood films, you tend to see that it's someone acting out the part. With a film like this, I think every character is going to be so believable, and you're going to be immersed in this world, and you're going to be immersed in either in Abhay's character's world or my character's world, and it's going to be such a realistic, approach to it. So I think that's my need, that's my greed to do this film and to work with Diwakar, and I've had immense respect for him since when I'd seen Khosla Ka Ghosla, and brilliant film, and yeah, I think that's all these reasons to do this film. Yeah.